Hey everybody. So one of the most important aspects about thumbnail sketching, regardless of the subject matter, is to make sure that each silhouette has its own read. So it's really easy to accidentally become too repetitive in your designs. I've done it. We've all done it. So whenever you start these sketches, no matter how detailed they are, just make sure that each silhouette is its own and it's unique. I've also had a lot of people ask me what thumbnail actually means and where it came from. Thumbnail sketch actually started way back in the 1800s. That's a term that was figuratively thrown around. The original term thumbnail was actually used way back in the 1600s, but artists started to pick it up because the sketches are supposed to symbolize something that could be so small they could fit underneath your thumbnail. So, hence the term thumbnail. There's many different ways that you can actually form thumbnails. If you look at my long form channel, I scribble a lot, and then we take the scribbled forms and we extract shapes into something that looks like these, which are a little bit more fleshed out critters. But you could also do it with armor, props, weapons, anything video game related, or even product design if you're into industrial design. But essentially, this is the first phase. It's the front line of offense, if you will, for any kind of game art that you may need or a bigger portfolio project. We in the game industry, we love props and we love something that feels more complete, whether it's an environment, a character, a creature. But props go a long way. Thumbnails help you generate ideas that you normally wouldn't think of. So all of you right now that are watching me sketch this thing, you're probably looking at it and going, what the heck is that? Well, I didn't even know what it was when I drew it. All I did was put arachnid/crustacean legs on here, and I just kind of let the pencil do the talking. So when you're sketching and scribbling and, be orderly too. Put the numbers in there just so that you can compartmentalize it and see everything for what it is. Just remember that it's not about the details. These are slightly more refined. And also, if you're having trouble even starting this process, let's say you haven't drawn in a long time, I made a small app for that. It's called Draw Sessions app, so check the link in the description below for that. All right. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully this little thumbnail lesson helped. And tell me what you're scribbling. Comment below. Peace.